You like it?
Uh-huh.
On a scale from 1 to 10.
10.
10?
More carrots. Don't tear it.
Alright, to start off, let's press some garlic and set it aside. And now you want to peel your broccoli stalks. You want to remove all the fiber, or as much as possible, so it doesn't get stuck in your teeth. Now we set them aside, and it's time for the tofu. You want to drain it well, and now I want to cut them into about the same size shape as it did the broccoli stalk. Maybe a little bit thicker so it won't fall apart. That looks to be just about right. Now let's throw them in to a little bit of heated oil. Not on high, you don't want to fry them. You don't want them to get burned. You just want to get a little bit golden. So you want to use very little oil. So the sauce base is going to be liquid aminos. And we're also going to use some smoked paprika. I'm going to throw in some ginger, some garlic. Now let's pour some of the liquid aminos. Throw in some black pepper. You want to start turning the tofu. Ah crap, I'm just about out of my smoked paprika. But no worries, I got a hack for that. Since we needed water anyway, I'm gonna add some water to the paprika bottle, shake it up, and now we have more paprika. Put in a bit of coriander. Gotta make sure you have about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of liquid. Because as you cook, the tofu gets marinated, and therefore it absorbs all the flavor. And now at the end, we throw in the broccoli stalks, and it'll steam nicely. One thing I forgot to put, onion powder. Now remember, this was zero preparation. I'm using what I had available. I could have put some chives, some leek, onion, shallots, but didn't have any of that. Mix it well without breaking the tofu. And now that we're done, let's throw in the rest of the garlic. And now it's just about ready to serve. It smells really good. Tofu. You like it?
Uh-huh.
On a scale from 1 to 10.
10.
10? There you go. Kid approved.